Hello and Merry Christmas. I'm here to show you a cheap and easy gift. This is what I do for my neighbors every year. I start with a jar of jelly. You can either use homemade if you can, or you can use store-bought. Get something kind of different. It'll be fun. I then take a piece of fabric, any kind of fabric. Christmassy fabric's nice, country fabric, or you can use, I use the burlap. And I cut a square, I put it over top of the jar, I put a rubber band around it to hold that fabric. And then I'm going to cut it either with picking shears or regular scissors. I cut around it, give it a cute little, there we go, just a cute little fringe around it. There, that's scrap. And then I take a piece of ribbon, you can use any color, and if you don't have ribbon, bias tape will work, and I tie the ribbon around to hide the rubber band. Then if I want to, I can leave it like this, or I can take a glue gun and I can glue gun from the dollar store. I can glue gun some kind of little decoration, maybe a bell or an ornament on the top. That's kind of pretty. Then I'm going to take some tissue paper, or if you work in an office where they shred stuff, that shredded paper works really good. And I'm going to either put it in a dollar store bag, or I might find some kind of cute basket. This was a dollar store basket. I'm going to stuff that in the bottom, put my jar in there. If you have a bread maker, homemade bread, it's wonderful. If not, go to the store, they don't know the difference. So this would be cute. It would be a breakfast. They could have toast and jam, or like this one. If you raise chickens, hey, give them some fresh eggs. If not, go to the farmer's market or go to the store and buy brown eggs. They'll think it's wonderful. Maybe throw in some coffee, maybe some homemade utensils. Throw in your bread, your jelly. There's breakfast for Christmas. What a nice gift. You can take a ribbon and put a pretty bow, or you can take an ornament, dollar store, and tie an ornament on it. You can tie a pretty to and from so they'll know who it's from, dollar store, right on there. And wouldn't that be a nice gift to get or to give? And it was really fairly cheap. That's my tip for Christmas this year. Merry Christmas.